Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna do unboxing. So I bought one new phone from Jan Louise. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel down below. Also, if you like this video, please like and comment and share. Hello everyone! So today I'm gonna do unboxing. So I bought one new phone from Jan Louise in Oxford Street. Because I'm looking for phone that because I need to change my other one, which is the Huawei P20. It's really good phone, but unfortunately it's broken already, so I need a new one. So this one, I haven't tried this brand, but it seems interesting because some of my friends are using it. So I don't want to buy a pricey one. So this one I bought. It's OnePlus. It's OnePlus. And it's their new one. Nord. Nord or Nord? I think it's Nord. Anyway, so we'll open it and let's see how good it is. It's their latest. So I bought it for 469 pounds. So it's like 30k in peso. So let's see. Actually, they told me, the one who assisted us, they only sell like only 4 pieces. This is the 5th one, and so because of the specs, it's like, why not? No, I don't want to spend a lot of money for new phone. So here, this one. Okay. Looks nice. I hope I won't drop it off. So from here, this way Nord. So there it is. So almost same size of my Huawei before. And the color, look at that, I love it. So let's see from the bags what's in there. Of course, the items, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So, oh, there's a case. Housing. Wow. Welcome letter. So, dear friend, today when a new phone hits the market, we often ask what are its specs, of course. But then we would be asking the wrong question. Oh, really? Because if the experience is smooth, if the camera is powerful and the quality is exceptional, if everything works just the way we expect, do the specs really matter? Wow, interesting. OnePlus Nord brings new focus and refinement for the essentials of the modern smartphone. Yeah. So, it's a bit, yeah. Okay. So here's the housing. And This is the this is the one where you can put the SIM, and these are the leaflets itself. These are the stickers. Cool. Quick start guide. Okay, let's see that later. Safety information. Highest SAR value. So what is it? I don't understand this. Anyway, let's see the, I need the reading glasses, I think. It's too small. So for the quick start, if you're like us, probably look, make it your own, bring on the lights. Oh, I love that, because really my problem sometimes. Take some credit for what? Welcome, it says welcome to the OnePlus family. We were thrilled you were chosen. I'm reading it first, sorry guys. Some things are here, or this use the cable, the charger, quite big, quite heavy. I hope it's past the specs. We have to check what's how many memories, how many now let's turn it on. So hider setting up. So before using your device, please read the following. Anyway, you have to read it if you don't. By the way, it's not sponsored. And for those connecting my Gmail. Okay. Adding finishing touches. Setup complete. Okay. For the storage, it's 256 gig, which is good. Mostly we're getting 128. Snapdragon. Camera. For the camera, it's 48 MP. Dual camera. Sorry. 32 MP front camera. Wow, 32. Mostly it's 16. The screen is 90 Hz. AMOLED 6.44 display. So it's OnePlus Nord, Android version 10. So it's really cool. The storage says 1 to 8 gig RAM to 256 RAM. But this one I got is 256. So we will try this because I'm going out today. So guys, this is micro SIM Okay, we can put the SIM here. This the where you can charge. This the on off button. This is the if you want to um, silent or vibrate. So, and on the other side, it's the high and low. Could be the for the camera or the volume. Kapag maganda ako, sabihin very good. Got it. Got it. Okay. What did I press? Setting. There's time lapse, panorama, slow motion, video, photo, portrait, nightscape, and pro. So for the photo, okay, timer. Oh, I don't know. This one. You can do quick share. Yeah. Allow. It's really rich. I mean, so cool. So later, when I go outside, I will try the video because that's what I need with my phone when I go out or when I do some of my content. Okay, see you later, guys, and to see how this works. Okay, see you later.